Can you believe I provide for my family by fixing little dents in cars?
She's smooth, boy.
Customer called me with this brand new Grand Cherokee with a small ding in the front door. He said it was too new to leave it like that, and I agree. First thing we're gonna do is roll the window down to gain access. We're gonna take this stainless steel window guard to protect the window and wedge it open very gently with this wedge. Then we're gonna take some compound and a buffing wheel and take off the paint transfer so that we have a clear reflection to look at into our board. Without a clear reflection, high quality results are not possible. I'm gonna go for the Dent Slayer XL, and this is where you can get it, PDRtool.com.
We hit a brace when we're coming down, so we're going with the Dent Craft.
All right, that's where you can get the whale tail that I ended up using. So I'm going smooth, steady pushes, going for the deepest part of that dent, slowly working my way into a mound. This pushing sequence took me about 2 minutes, and then I'm gonna take this knockdown and hammer and slowly reduce it back down to flat. Every one of these strikes with this knockdown is intentional. If you want to learn PDR, go to dentslayer.com, scroll down to online PDR training. We have a really awesome PDR essentials course that we just released. Matt Boyette's the teacher. I produced and edited the entire thing. You can pay the $750 for the whole course, or you can get started for free. Go to PDR Quick Start, fill out this form, and here's everything that you're going to get for $0. No paint, no bondo, had it done less than an hour, and I came to the customer. He was pumped. All right, look at that, boy. She is smooth, boy. Yes, sir.
She's smooth.